on now. We're going to use tactics that could cause injury.
Hey, there's suspect at the window. At the window.
Southeast unit, social veteran, domestic violence.
Hey, suspect's down.
At 8:45 p.m., a woman called LAPD to report an armed suspect aiming his weapon at random people.
Quería reportar, fíjese que aquí en la Figueroa, sobre la Figueroa y exactamente en la 66, hay un hombre armado. Tiene una sudadera gris, unos pantalones como entre blancos con gris, algo así.
¿Está armado con qué, señora?
Tiene una pistola, pero es así larga, no sé exactamente qué tipo de arma. Como un rifle. Ajá, como un rifle, algo así.
¿Y dónde está el rifle?
Lo tenía en la mano. Ahorita se movió así anda en medio de la calle. Lo tenía aquí al lado de frente, así como queriendo apuntar para todos lados.
¿Dónde está la pistola, señora?
Él la tiene en la mano, es que él está así en la calle, es un hombre que anda así en la calle. Y me metí, pues cerré rápido.
¿Él está amenazando a la gente o no? Nada más está caminando.
A la gente afuera, sí. Así es, o sea, sí, aquí trabajan muchachas afuera y ahí estaba así con el arma apuntando para todos lados.
Ok, yo le aviso a los oficiales, gracias.
717 units, possible DW suspect there now, Figueroa on 66, Figueroa on 66, suspect is in all black, wearing a gray sweater, white or gray pants, possibly armed with a white rifle pointing at a passerby, code 471 shorty, 1249.
Shortly after, officers are dispatched to the area where the suspect has now entered an abandoned building with an unknown number of occupants.
You what?
Yeah.
Due to the severity of the situation, the LA SWAT team arrives to secure the scene and negotiate with the suspect to surrender peacefully.
Southeast unit, social veteran, domestic violence in progress, 1130 East 105th Street, 1130 East 105th Street, second-hand information from male subject 13 years at location, mother and father, possible physical dispute, is code 35298 and RD 1834 under conditional. 14D3 is requesting a 77th unit to handle incident 4781 at 344 West 84th Place. Incident 4781.
Pull him out. Can you arrest him? I'll call him right here.
Hey, there's suspect at the window. At the window. Hey, suspect's down.
Got him, Timmy?
Yeah, he just pointed the rifle out the window.
Timmy, you got him?
Yeah.
Miraculously, the suspect survived and surrendered.
If you don't come out now, we're going to use tactics that could cause injury.
Hey, front door.
Okay, just keep your hands up. Good. Just keep walking towards us. Okay, we see you.
That's the suspect.
Walk down off the steps.
That's the suspect.
Okay, walk to your right. To your right. Good. Keep coming. Keep coming.
I got
Okay,
him.
now stop. Turn and face the armored vehicle. Walk towards us. Keep your hands up. Walk towards the armored vehicle.
Come to me.
Okay, on your left
He's
side.
coming this way. Hey, he's coming this way. He's coming. Keep walking to me. Arrest him. Keep coming.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Left side of the armored vehicle. Left. To your
Yeah.
left.
Over here.
Walk between the armored vehicles.
Look this way. I got shots.
I know. Put your hands in here. Put one hand.
Walk between the armored
Left backwards.
vehicles.
Mario,
Your hands up.
I'm not. Hey, sir. Hey, bring him back. He's not handcuffed. Yeah, he's bleeding. You gotta hook him up. Hey, Silly. I know. I don't.
Behind cover.
Behind cover. Silly. Behind cover.
I got shots.
I know. Come on. Right here. Hook him up. Let go. Let go. We're gonna get you medical assistance. I know. Hold on.
We have one suspect suffering from gunshot wound.
The suspect is taken to a nearby hospital to be treated for a gunshot wound to his left arm. After a thorough search of the house, the weapon turned out to be a fake rifle made out of PVC and other random objects. The suspect was later identified as 36-year-old Keyon Williams and was charged with 1 count of felony resisting an officer, 1 count of brandishing a replica weapon, and 1 count of resisting arrest. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments, and if you want to support the channel, I made some merch. Link in the description. For now, find out why I will never visit Lake Tahoe, where he discovered well-preserved bodies in the thousands, lake monsters, and caverns connecting Lake Tahoe with surrounding bodies of water. After emerging from the lake, he said his famous words, "The world is not ready for what I've seen." Unfortunately, the story was never confirmed,